Huawei Mate X-T is the world's first tri-fold screen phone with the biggest foldable display, a highly optimized UI, top-quality materials, and a flagship camera. Today, I'll be sharing the unboxing and first impressions of this newly launched phone. My name is Maiky, and you are watching techmaiky. Let's check out the unboxing of this extraordinary phone. The phone comes in a pretty large box. After removing the plastic, we see the main box in black color with Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate Design written on it. The box design looks like a jewelry box. As soon as you open the lid, you see the phone in its unfolded state. The phone's size is similar to a standard tablet, and on the first in-hand feel, it feels much lighter compared to a tablet. Let's keep the phone aside for a moment and check out the rest of the box contents. Inside, you get several accessories, like a car charger and earphones. The large box also includes a dual data cable and a power adapter, which has a 66-watt output. The charger comes with a classic dual port, but you can only use one port at a time. Since this is a tri-fold phone, its case is also unique, which we will check out after turning on the phone. The special earphones have a shiny silver color. Here's the car charger, which is a bit different from a regular charger because it has 3 ports, but you can only use 2 at the same time. It also supports Huawei's fast charging. Now, let's remove the plastic wrap from the phone. This is the Ray Red color option, which looks more like orange. You can see a mix of gold and orange colors, with the gold having a matte finish, so it's not too shiny. The back of the phone uses a plain leather material, and Huawei has used an ultra-thin leather that is even thinner than 0.5 millimeters. However, it feels really nice to the touch. There is also Huawei's logo and Ultimate Design branding in gold on the back. The camera module has a hexagonal shape with 3 camera lenses. We'll talk about the camera in detail later. From the side, you can see the camera module is a bit bumpy, with eye-catching textures. The Type-C port area is slightly thicker compared to the other 2 sections, while the last area is thinner, but you don't really feel it when holding the phone. There are several antenna lines visible on the phone's frame. There's a Designed by Huawei logo on the phone. It's as big as a tablet, but much thinner. At the bottom, you'll find the primary microphone, speaker grill, Type-C port, and SIM tray. By looking at the Type-C port size, you can see how thin the phone is. There's also a speaker at the top. On the right side, you have the volume rocker and the power button, which comes with a fingerprint sensor. The phone weighs around 307 grams. Looking at the front of the phone, you can see a lot of light reflections and 2 creases. There's also a flip on the screen that shouldn't be removed, as it's the screen protector. Removing it could void the warranty. Now let's fold the world's first tri-fold screen phone. The first fold feels like a normal folding phone. After fully folding it, the phone's thickness is still just 12.8 millimeters. Holding this phone feels quite different compared to regular phones. It's much thicker. Even though it has an ultra-thin hinge, you can hover the phone at any angle. Now, let's look at the protective case. Just like the phone's tri-fold design is complex, the case design is also challenging. The case protects the camera and the folding screen on the sides. I recommend using the case because the folding screen is sensitive. The case also has a stand, and the unique thing is that you can rotate the stand at any angle. You can even use the stand when the phone is unfolded, and it works in vertical mode too. Now let's start the phone. As soon as you start the phone, you see the Ultimate Design branding. The phone feels quite big. Since it's a folding screen phone, the software experience is important, and the OS needs to be optimized for the foldable display. It has a huge 10.2-inch display with a resolution of 2232 by 3184 and a 120 Hz refresh rate using LTPO technology. The UI is optimized, and after folding the left side, you get a screen that looks like a normal phone. You can use this phone like a regular phone, but it's a bit difficult to use with one hand. The screen bezels are quite thin. Another advantage is that when you unfold it, you get a normal foldable screen experience. The large camera module on the back prevents the phone from wobbling when placed on a table. Opening the full screen provides a next-level experience, and you can also fold the screen to use the phone like a stand. The first screen acts as a stand. The screen doesn't touch the table surface directly, as it has protection around it. The Huawei Mate X-T has a 5,600 mAh battery, and it supports 66 watts wired charging, 50 watts wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. This video was just about the unboxing and first impressions. I'll be uploading a detailed review soon, so subscribe and join our tech team to see it first. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Keep smiling.